Let's dive into the fascinating world of pickle making, where the stakes are high and the flavors are crisp and delicious. Ever wondered how cucumbers transform into the crunchy pickles we love? Let's find out. The journey begins with selecting the perfect cucumbers. This stage is critical as the quality of the cucumbers directly influences the final pickle product. Farmers choose cucumbers that are firm, unblemished, and the right size for pickling. Only the best cucumbers make the cut, ensuring a consistent texture and flavor in every batch. The stakes are high. A single poor-quality cucumber can affect the entire batch. Expert farmers and agronomists work closely to select cucumbers that will yield the best pickles. This meticulous selection process sets the foundation for the subsequent steps, ensuring that each pickle is crisp, flavorful, and delicious. Once the cucumbers are selected, they are harvested at their peak ripeness to ensure optimal flavor and crispness. Harvesting is conducted swiftly and efficiently to preserve the cucumber's freshness. Immediately after harvesting, the cucumbers are transported to the processing facility. Maintaining a cold chain during transportation is critical to prevent spoilage and maintain their quality. This involves using refrigerated trucks and carefully monitoring temperatures throughout the journey. Efficient logistics play a vital role in this process, ensuring that the cucumbers reach the facility in pristine condition, ready for processing. The stakes are high during this stage. Any delay or mishandling can lead to spoilage and compromise the entire batch. The journey from the field to the factory is meticulously planned and executed to minimize transit time and maintain the cucumber's integrity. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the cucumbers are immediately prepared for the next stages of their transformation into delicious pickles. This careful attention to detail during harvesting and transportation is crucial for maintaining the high standards of quality and consistency that consumers expect from their pickles. By ensuring that the cucumbers arrive fresh and in perfect condition, the factory sets the stage for producing a top-quality product that will delight pickle enthusiasts everywhere. When the cucumbers arrive at the processing facility, they first undergo a thorough initial inspection to ensure they meet strict quality standards. This crucial step involves checking for size, color, and any visible defects. Once they pass inspection, the cucumbers are subjected to a rigorous washing process to remove any dirt, debris, or pesticide residues. This washing is critical for maintaining hygiene and food safety throughout the production process. High-pressure water jets and brushes are employed to clean the cucumbers thoroughly. This method ensures that all contaminants are effectively removed, preparing the cucumbers for the next stages of production. The importance of this step cannot be overstated. Any residual dirt or chemicals can compromise the quality and safety of the final product. Cleanliness is paramount, and the stakes are high. Failure to adequately wash the cucumbers could result in inferior pickles that do not meet consumer expectations. The factory employs advanced washing techniques to ensure every cucumber is pristine. This meticulous attention to detail sets the foundation for producing high-quality pickles. By ensuring that each cucumber is thoroughly clean, the factory not only maintains high safety standards but also preserves the cucumber's natural flavors and textures. This rigorous washing process is a vital part of transforming fresh cucumbers into the crunchy, delicious pickles loved by consumers. After the cucumbers are washed, they undergo a critical sorting and sizing process. This step is essential to ensure uniformity in the final pickle product. Cucumbers are meticulously sorted based on size, shape, and color, using a combination of automated machines and skilled workers. Achieving uniformity is crucial because it ensures even brining and fermentation, which directly affects the flavor and texture of the pickles. The stakes are high in this phase. Inconsistent sizes can lead to uneven brining, resulting in pickles with varying taste and texture. By accurately sorting and sizing the cucumbers, the factory guarantees that each pickle will meet the high standards of quality, taste, and crunch that consumers expect. This meticulous process not only maintains the consistency of the product but also upholds the brand's reputation for delivering perfect pickles every time. Ensuring uniformity at this stage is a key factor in the success of the entire pickle-making process. The sorted cucumbers are then moved to the brining and fermentation stage. They are immersed in a brine solution made of water, salt, and vinegar. This solution helps preserve the cucumbers and begins the fermentation process. The cucumbers are left to ferment for several days, during which beneficial bacteria convert the natural sugars into lactic acid. This fermentation process gives pickles their characteristic tangy flavor. The stakes are high. Precise control of the fermentation conditions is essential to achieve the desired taste and texture. Any deviation can result in off flavors or spoilage. By carefully managing this process, the factory ensures each pickle is perfectly fermented. After fermentation, the pickles are flavored and spiced. Various herbs and spices, such as dill, garlic, and mustard seeds, are added to enhance the flavor. The spices are carefully measured and mixed to achieve the perfect balance of flavors. This stage is crucial as it defines the final taste profile of the pickles. The stakes are high. Any mistake in the seasoning can result in pickles that are too bland or too overpowering. By using precise recipes and quality ingredients, the factory ensures that each pickle is flavorful and delicious. Once the pickles are flavored, they're ready to be packed and sealed. The pickles are placed in jars along with the brine solution. The jars are then sealed tightly to prevent contamination and preserve freshness. This sealing process is crucial as it ensures the pickles remain fresh and safe to eat. The stakes are high. Any leak or improper seal can lead to spoilage. By using high-quality jars and sealing techniques, the factory ensures that each jar of pickles reaches consumers in perfect condition. Throughout the entire production process, quality control is paramount. At every stage, from receiving to packaging, rigorous inspections ensure that the pickles meet high standards. This involves checking for proper fermentation, flavor balance, and appearance. Any deviation from the standards is promptly addressed to prevent compromised products from reaching consumers. The stakes are high. Maintaining rigorous quality control is essential for building and preserving consumer trust. Factories invest heavily in quality assurance programs to ensure consistency and safety. This commitment to quality ensures that every jar of pickles that reaches the market is of the highest caliber. The sealed jars are then labeled and packaged. Labels provide important information such as ingredients, nutritional facts, and expiration dates. Packaging not only protects the pickles during transport, but also extends their shelf life. The stakes are high. Any errors in labeling or packaging can lead to consumer dissatisfaction and potential recalls. By using accurate labeling and durable packaging, the factory ensures that each jar of pickles is correctly identified and protected, maintaining its quality until it reaches the consumer. Finally, the pickles are ready for distribution and delivery. The jars are packed into boxes and loaded onto trucks for transportation to retailers. Efficient logistics and proper handling during this stage are crucial to ensure the pickles reach their destination in perfect condition. The stakes are high. Any mishandling can compromise the quality of the product. By maintaining a cold chain and using reliable transportation methods, the factory ensures that each jar of pickles arrives at the store fresh and ready for consumers to enjoy. So there you have it, a fascinating journey from farm-fresh cucumbers to the crunchy, crisp pickles we love. This process artfully combines tradition with modern precision to deliver flavors cherished on dinner tables around the world. If you want to explore more exciting stories, watch our next video.